Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Cayman. The design of the Cayman models is benefiting of their distinctive sporty character. Their performance potential is obvious at first sight, for these are true specimens of force and athleticism. Individual styling features help to define the Cayman so impressively. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, keyless entry, power driver's seat, driver airbag, passenger airbag, side airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.